We got snow! I am so excited. It is December 2nd and we have our first snow of the season and it is so beautiful. And I don't know what got into me. I put on a pot of coffee and I feel like decorating. I feel like playing in the snow because look, it is currently snowing and I don't know. I just want to be outside and play in it. I love the snow. Go grab yourself a hot cup of coffee because we are going to be decorating outside today. First thing we have to do is get rid of the pumpkins because they're still out there. Also, I had the cutest little ornament pink wreaths that I put on each door and I threw them away because they were faded. And I've looked everywhere and I can't find anything like it. I think I found one on Amazon for $35 and I am not spending $70 when I'm pretty sure I spent $7 per wreath before and I don't know where I got them. Before we wear ourselves out decorating, I want to take a moment to talk about today's sponsor, Bob & Brad. Bob & Brad is where it's at when it comes to comfort, relaxation, and self-care. Around the holidays, I am always straining myself and wearing myself out by hauling totes, going to my storage unit. I'm constantly packing totes into my vehicle, carrying totes down from the attic, hanging decorations, climbing ladders, and at the end of the day, sometimes I'm sore and have stiff joints. And what brings me comfort on a cold winter's night with stiff joints is the Bob & Brad Thera Heat Pad. This weighted heating pad delivers deeper, more even heat to the neck and shoulders with the far infrared technology and fully weighted design. I love how it stays in place while I'm working at my desk. This fixes everything that I disliked about traditional heating pads. I also love the digital controller where you can select your level of heat and set a timer. Ceramic beads emit far infrared heat that reaches deeper layers of the neck and shoulder muscles. That's where this gives real relief where other heating pads can't. This has a fully weighted design for better contact. It helps it stay in place for a nice even heat compared to other heating pads that slip, bunch, and won't stay in place. Make sure you check out the link below, especially this holiday season. Bob & Brad make such great gifts for the holiday, and use the code BOBWHPAD in the description box and you will get 5% off your order. Again, thank you so much to Bob & Brad for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into the decorating.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day.
I wonder if I should put the tree on this table or put it back on the floor the way I had it last year. I don't like it on the table. I like it in the floor better. I got another tote full of things. I don't know that I'm going to put everything out here, but I did have this stuff readily available. This giant ornament, some boxes and some garland, and then I'm gonna put some ornaments on the tree. Look at this cute little pink mixer ornament. Adorable. And then I have a cute little pink camera. It's 25 degrees outside. I'm not cold except my toes. And I have these boots on, and I thought my socks were warm, but not warm enough. This one's like a Christmas truck with a Boston Terrier in the back of it. Or it could be a Frenchie, but I say it's a Boston Terrier. Did I put these little ornaments on it last year? Those are cute. I don't know. I like those bows, but how do we feel about them out here? Plus, I'm going to be putting a big pink bow on the top. And I have this white furry present. I think I'm going to set that on the bench. I think that's where I had it last year. I like to display my Nutcracker book out here, and I don't know if you have this, but the illustrations in this are just so beautiful and magical. This one's one of my favorites. But look how beautiful. This is another one of my favorites. And this one, I think I'm going to display the book open to this page. Set this snowman up out here. He needs to be pink. This is primary red and blue. Gonna kill the vibe? I think so. Maybe, surely I can find him another scarf. What about the hat? I don't even think he works anymore. But I'm gonna see if he's got a nose, but I have to go get it. I'm gonna see if we can make him pink. I could string a set of lights in him and then he would light up, but that's gonna be a pain in the butt that I really just didn't have on my agenda today. First, let's see, I did find some mittens. Big snowman hands. We've got, you can take off the scarf. There you go. And then we could, so we can do that scarf. What about up here? We can't take that off, and then we have this. Okay. We can glue the holly back on. So I can glue that'll be adorable. I think that'll work. I'm in love! But I have these cute little mittens with the snowflakes on them. R.I.P. But like, who wears mittens anyway? They're really not very practical. Okay, I don't have my tripod set up, so we're at a weird angle. I turned on a light so you can really see how dirty this is. What can I wipe it off with? I was looking for my little bristle broom, but I found this first. There we go. I think it has pink flocking on it or something and a bunch of dirt. I have a cute leopard glue gun, but we're just going to use the industrial one. We're going to go with the Gorilla Glue. I either have this set of white lights or this pink lights, but I'm afraid the pink lights are going to pull red, which I was so excited to find pink lights with a pink wire, but these are like hot pink, you know? So I don't know what kind of glow that's going to give from within. Frosty doesn't need to glow pink, so, right? What are we going to do with the, I mean, that would be cute, right? Should we do the pink or the white? Let me know in the comments below. The problem is, I'm going to have to take this completely apart to get those lights up there. Do I want to do that? Absolutely not. What can I ever use these adorable pink lights for? Hey, Brody. The problem is there's no way to like string the cord out. Oh. Here we go. I just attached these. Help, send help. Okay. Oh wait, what's going on with the arm? He's looking nice enough. He could have went on the front porch. I didn't even plan on doing this today. He was actually in the pile, like ready to go out to the trash. But that's what this cottage is all about. It's like the repurposed cottage. So everything we have out there has been repurposed. Now I think I'm gonna do the hat first. Never underestimate a girl in a hot glue gun. Then we have these little holly berries. Should we put those back up? I think I want the scarf to hang down. Before the scarf went like this, but I want it to hang down. I could just tie it. And here's how he turned out. So cute. I think he is going to look perfect by the cottage. There was definitely plenty of life left in old Frosty. that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my little snowy cottage Christmas makeover. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on any more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!